Gain 20 gold and 80 experience. What the fuck is... I picked mana. Karen says 1 coin to cross the river Styx. Oh no, not hideous slimes. Critical hit, let's go. Let's fuck it. You're back. Both the birds say tweep, old Smithy's house. Hey kid, are you lost? Nope, Daddy is out in the woods. He said he would pick me up here. Oh. Your dad's dead, kid. Great sorceress of old who sealed away Valimir. Gee, that's not me or anything. Squirrel's General Store. One day I want to be like the heroine of old. Trust me, you don't. Are you the shopkeeper? Apparently. Just choose an item and get out, okay? I've got a massive headache. I bought a what? Restores between 50 and 150 mana and tastes like raspberry. Okay. Who are you looking at? The prophecy is unfolding. You are the heroine of time. You must find the 3 orbs of power scattered across the land and use them to seal away Valimir once and for all. Great dragon to the west is hoarding one. Okay. Is this just a bunch of games that Dan didn't want to make? The Sacred Temple. Yeah, this doesn't have Temple of Time vibes or anything. Jesus. I mean, I'm here for it. What, you thought I was gonna rush you like a mad dog? Let me guess. You met some bad slimes in the forest and now you think we're all bad.